Alright, reviewing the portable air cooler. So this is the water tank. I only filled it halfway because I don't plan on using it all day. The power button's right here. It goes from 1 to 99, the speed, the air speed. I'm just going to leave it on 99. Right here there's a light button that changes. You can change the light color on the side. There's also a sleep mode, so if you wanted to set a timer on it for while you're sleeping, you can do that. On the side, you can adjust the vents, as you can see, and I'll hold the little owner manual up so you can see that it's got some pretty good air that comes out of this thing. It's not doing it justice, but let's see. There you go. So it's got some pretty good speed. Overall, I'd say this is a pretty awesome product and it would work great for camping.